Okay, welcome to beginner drums lesson number 5. Today we'll be doing red book pages 4 and 5. So go flip to that right now. First we'll do number 50. Okay, so we want to practice our eighth notes real quick. So let's do that. Alright, so 1, 2, ready, play. Right, right, left, right, left, right. It's not working out. Okay, here. It's better. Alright, let me redo that. Play with me. It's just eighth notes. It's pretty simple. Just a warm up. 1, 2, ready, play. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, pretty simple. Just 4/4 time. If you need to, make sure you write in the counting notes before you play. If not, then it's fine. Alright, so number 51. Let's do that. Wait, no, let's skip that. Let's do eighth note expert 52. I think today's lesson is pretty easy because they're just like reviewing the past, what we've learned in the past. So let's do 53. It's just eighth notes and quarter notes. 1, 2, ready. Okay, pretty simple. Just count in your head and write in the beats if you need to before. If not, then that's pretty much it. Simple. Okay, so alright, so for the next one, in your book, it might be blank. And the reason for that is you're supposed to write in your own bar lines for the time signature given. So it's 4/4, so there's only 4 counts in each measure. So let's do the first couple together. So the first measure, you know that it's going to be after the second half note because each half note's worth 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, meaning 2 half notes equals 1 bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar line, write it in right now with pencil. And then the next is 1, 2, and 3, 4. So you know there's another bar line after the next half note. Then there's 4 quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know there's another bar line there. So now I'm gonna give you like 30 seconds to write in all these bar lines, and that's pretty much the point of 54 because they want you to practice knowing where each bar line is. So go ahead and do that right now. Okay, if you need more time, just pause the video, but if not, then we're gonna move on. Alright, so next one is the flam. So as you recall, we might have, from last lesson, we learned flams, the right flam and the left flam. Hopefully you've practiced that. It's pretty important. Okay, so let's practice that really quick. Let's just do one measure of flams at my count. Ready? 1, 2, right flam only. 1, 2, ready, go. Right, 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 right. Alright, good job. Let's practice left now. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, good job. That's it. So let's follow the key, not the key signature, the time signature, and what's given in this exercise so that you can play it at your own with their sticking. All right, let's do that real quick. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. It might be kind of hard to change between the different stickings at first, but if you practice more, it'll get easier. I'm not too good at it either, but if you practice, it'll get better. Hold on, let me close the door. Okay. Alright, so the thing about this is that you need to practice it or else you'll just get harder. Or it gets faster and you can't keep up. Okay, we're getting a little bit harder. Page 15, I believe. 15. Yeah, Page 15. Okay, so basically, this is the bounce stroke, the multiple bounce stroke. Okay, so what a pickup note is, first of all, is a note that comes before the first full measure of a piece of music. This pickup note can be an eighth note, an eighth rest, a rest, quarter rest, half rest. It can be almost anything. It's just, it always comes before, and you still have to play it. So in a real band piece, the conductor would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the pickup note. So, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. That's the pickup note, the and then the 1 is the first measure, or second measure. Okay, yeah. Anyway, so let's do the warm-up to warm ourselves up. Common time meaning 4/4, and there's bounce stroke rules, so be aware of that. I'll play it first, and then we can play it together. All right, me first. Watch me play. 1, 2, ready, play. So notice how I switched the flam at the end because I wanted to do right flam because I didn't have enough time to switch to left. But be aware that usually you should follow whatever the band piece says, but sometimes you can do it your own preference just because that's how you would like it. So like if you want to switch between to a left flam, it can be kind of difficult. So I understand if you want to just keep doing the right flam. Okay. Let's play that together now. Yeah. So if you need time, rewatch it and pause it. If not, we can just play it together. So ready? 1, 2, ready? Okay. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Just don't forget the bounce stroke. Okay, next we're gonna learn pickup notes. I'm gonna count off and then we're gonna play it together. So, alright, so when I do 1, 2, 3, you play the fourth because you can see there's a quarter note right before the first measure. Alright, ready? I'll show you and then we can play it together again. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1. So the thing about pickup notes is that usually the pickup note takes away one note from the end of the piece. So as you can see in this piece, at the end, there is no fourth note. There's no 1, 2, 3, 4. That doesn't always happen in every case, but it does happen sometimes because that's how the author wants it, or the person who read the piece. Because like, for example, in the next exercise 58, there's a pickup note, but it's still a 4/4 measure until the end, meaning that, wait, JK, there's no 4/4 measure until the end. Okay, no, I'm wrong. In every single time there's a pickup note, most times it'll take one note away from the last measure. Let's do the next one together. This time I'm not going to play it first just because I think you've gained enough experience in exercise from 58. Let's do 57 together one more time. Or one time. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, good job. That's it. All right, let's do one more as an exercise to sum up like today's lesson. Let's do 58 actually. I think that's a pretty good summary just because it just has everything. Okay, so pick up note again, same thing. We're gonna play it together as a review. 1, 2, 3, 4, buzz. Good job. That's it. Congrats. All right, that's lesson 5. I'll see you for lesson 6.